Today in this video we are going to be addressing an issue that you will more than likely face with your Varla Eagle One, your 010x. We are going to be greasing up the front and the rear bearings. So let me show you what you're going to need for this. Of course, the main thing you're going to need is going to be the white lithium grease spray. This is the WD-40. It's probably the best one that you can get. And you're just going to need a microfiber cloth just to clean the excess off. It is relatively easy to do. Let's not waste time, let's get right into this video. Do go ahead and subscribe if you love electric scooters, by the way, and have a look at the other Varla videos that I've done so far on the channel with the rugged up clamp and a few other maintenance videos. So this is pretty simple. You're going to need your cloths just underneath like this. Pretty easy to do. And the main thing is you're only going to need 2 or 3 little quick darts onto the bearings, and these are the bearings here. Now you may notice your wheel over time will start to kind of squeal and it will get a little bit worse. It is perfectly normal for this to happen, but the idea is you don't want to use too much of this stuff. So just get it, shake the can like so, aim it right in here and just 2 to 3 quick sprays. Okay, and then just spin the wheel, just a few revolutions, just to clean the excess that's after coming off. Clean inside here, move on to the far side. Now the main thing is here, you don't want to obviously get the grease on the disc, okay, because it's very dangerous obviously. Just get your cloth, just kind of wrap it around that area, because you only want to get the nozzle just in where the bearings are, like that. So just get the cloth, wrap it around like so, quick shake, spray it in, and that's it. Now then what you do is you spin the wheel a couple of revolutions, and then I'm going to give you just a little quick tip at the end of this video. Again, as you're spinning, clean the excess off, make sure everything is nice and clean. I'm going to do a separate video on how to clean the discs with the disc cleaner spray. It is pretty straightforward, but the bearings are probably one of the most important areas. Exact same thing on the front. Get your cloth, wrap it around your disc, move the wheel, get the excess underneath. You'll notice straight away that the squealing will start to, that annoying squealing will start to go away. Again, before we do the last step, clean the excess off. Okay, wipe if any spray went on your scooter, just give it a little quick wipe down like so. Then all you do is just to make sure the grease is in there, simply turn on your scooter, dual mode, and just get everything moving around in there. You only need to do it literally for a couple of minutes until it spreads, front wheel as well. And that's pretty much it. That's how you grease your bearings. Give this video a like, watch the other videos that are showing up on screen right now. Please stay safe on your electric scooter. These are really dangerous if you don't have all the safety gear on. And I'll talk to you in the next video.